What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Yesterday, I got a package, but not just any package. It is a Hat Club package, so you know today's video is gonna be a good one. Two things I want to say before we crack this open. One, big shout out to Hat Club, of course. I always appreciate them sending out things. Two, big shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for tapping in to video every day of August. If you didn't already know, now you know. I'm uploading a brand new video every day of August, and it's been nothing but heat. In my opinion, I am 10 for 10, so make sure you go check that out. That is enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into this package. Y'all know the vibes. Brown box. This one has the Hat Club branding on it. Nice note on top. The Superbloom collection has sprung. No green thumb necessary. Take care of this crown and this succulent and watch your wardrobe and plant flourish. Okay, from your homies at Hat Club, Davey. Shout out to Davey for sending this out once again. Okay, let's get through all of this tissue paper. Lots of tissue paper. Is this a plant? Wow. They just continue to surprise me. There is a whole plant in this box. We got to talk about that. All right, hold on. Let me put the box to the side right quick. That's fire. So there's like a whole succulent in here, and it has the Hat Club plant head logo on there that they're using for this collection. Give y'all a good look at that. I'm gonna tip it over just a little so y'all can see the plant inside. Tell me that's not dope. They continue to surprise me with these packages. That is wild. Wow, I'm gonna have to take care of this thing now. Okay, I'll Google what it needs later. Let's go ahead and get into the rest of the package. If you haven't already seen the promo that Hat Club posted over on their Instagram, Superbloom is the collection that will be releasing on Saturday. Y'all know the vibes. Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern, hatclub.com. So here we have a nice khaki crown, khaki top bill, and it is a Yankees joint. Y'all know I love a good Yankees hat. I started out just collecting Yankees and Dodgers, so it's always nice to add another Yankee crown into my duffels. Let me let it focus for a second so y'all can really get into those colors. Khaki crown, khaki top bill, or tan, whatever you want to call it. White on the inside. Then you have a blue outline, like a light blue. And then there's a yellow outline. A very neon yellow, if I say so myself. And I like that double outline on the Yankees logo. It definitely adds some depth, in my opinion. Makes it a little more interesting. 1977 All-Star Game side patch, the Big Apple side patch. I don't have one of these in my collection already, so this is a nice add. You can see sky blue on the inside there. Really nice details. You got some darker blue in there, white on the threading and some of the accents, and then another yellow outline on the patch as well. Let's take a look at that Batterman. Flat Batterman on this one. Yellow in the corner, blue on the opposite side, white in the middle, and then of course the Superblooms all over the hat. Extra embroidery on this one. Take a look at that. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up in just a second. Okay, now we can really get into the colors. Yellow in the middle, magenta on the petals, and the inside of the petals seem like they're a purplish color to me. The flowers definitely give me spring, summertime vibes, but the colors on the hat give me fall time. So it's a nice little versatility they have going on, and I like the contrast. Y'all can see that bright yellow UV on this one. I believe it's called wild yellow or mustard yellow. Yeah, it was wild mustard yellow if I remember correctly. There it is. White guts on this one. Size 7 1/8, of course, and this is made in Bangladesh. And of course, we have to talk about that pin because that pin is included in every order. So if you order a Superbloom hat on Saturday, you will get that plant head pin. I think it looks pretty dope. Purple face, different color petals, orange, yellow. It's clean. Let's put the khaki colorway to the side and take a look at this olive joint next. This is clean. This would have matched the fit today, not gonna hold you. It's a nice hat, okay. Olive crown, olive top bill. Y'all can see it is an Astros prototype or Astros concept logo, whichever you prefer to call it. Real nice colors inside of there. I love the layers on this Astro front logo. If y'all notice, I'm wearing one today. This is from the Ocean Drive collection from Hat Club. Just so many colors in there. It's perfect for the people who love color. White threading on the A, as y'all can see, sky blue star in the middle. Then the next color is kind of like this copper color. Then there's an orange and some more of that light blue. Another plant head pin, real nice on there. I think it looks great with all of the colorways. Astros 50th anniversary side patch. Look at the color placement in there. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see it. Blue, orange, white. Some more of that tan or like copper color in there. The shooting star. Ooh, that's a nice side patch. Flat batterment on this hat as well, except this one is orange and white. And then of course you have that same extra embroidery Superbloom flowers all over the crown. I will say I do like that they vary in size and they're evenly distributed all over the crown. They're not clustered in one area. It's like an even distribution. Let's take a closer look at these Superblooms. You see there's yellow in the middle there, light blue for the petals, and a darker blue inside the petals. That matches pretty nicely with the icy UV on this one. White guts, size 7 1/8 once again, and this one is also made in Bangladesh. Really like the colorway on this joint. Something about olive crowns just hit different, and when you sprinkle in the orange and that icy blue, ooh, this is a good hat. I like this one a lot. We're gonna move on to the navy hat next. So this is a Phillies joint. Okay, a dark navy crown and top bill. As y'all can see, it is a Phillies P front logo, white on the inside, blue outline, and then a greater orange outline. I really like the double outline front logos. Again, I think it just adds some depth. You get more colors, and I love colors. Another one of those plant head pins that come with every order. Liberty Bell All-Star Game side patch. The color placement is mean on that one. Orange, blue, purple. Real nice. That is a good looking side patch right there. Flat batterment on this one, except this one is purple and white. I like that a lot. Tonal New Era flag and more of those Superbloom extra embroidery flowers. I love the contrast on this one between the flowers and the crown. As y'all can see, the flowers are orange. You have white threading in the middle. The petals are orange, and inside the petals, there's a light blue. Definitely gonna have to give y'all some B-roll for these so you can really see all of the details. Orange UV on this one with the white guts, and I have to say I like the color combination of orange and navy blue. It works. When it works, it works. This colorway is also made in Bangladesh, so that is all 3 colorways that are dropping on Saturday. You got the navy and orange, the olive and icy blue, which I think is a tie between these two as my favorite, but I'm leaning more towards the olive with the icy. Like this is fire. This is fire right here. And then of course, this one's not a sleeper either. The khaki with the wild mustard yellow UV. All 3 colorways. Y'all let me know what y'all are copping on Saturday. Here they are once again, and of course I will include some good B-roll so y'all can see all of the details. Now we're gonna get into those pins I put aside earlier. Let's start with this one right here. I think this is what? It's a praying mantis. Good, I was gonna say a grasshopper, but it actually says it on the back. This is a praying mantis. So all of these pins that I'm about to show, I believe will be sold separately. They'll be $15 on the Hat Club website. This one, like I said, is the praying mantis. Take a good look at that. It has like a gold outline, some blues in there that's gonna work really well with all of the hats. This next one is called the Sleepy Butterfly pin. This is nice. I really like the colors on this one. What y'all thinking down below in the comment section? Sleepy Butterfly, yellow, got some pink in there, blue, orange. I love colors, y'all. This one is the Sleepy Snail. All right. The stars inside the snail shell is dope. I'll make sure I show y'all these on the hats as well. And lastly, we have the Buzzy Butterfly. See what this one is looking like. Okay. So the eyes are wide open on this one. Some pink stars in there, yellow, green. That's dope. The pins are fun, and I like fun and different pins. This has to be one of the best unboxings I've done on this channel. Shout out to Hat Club. Got 3 clean colorway hats. Once again, that color placement on the Philly side patch is mean. This Astros is just, come on now. And of course, adding another Yankees to the collection. Got some nice pins that I'm gonna add to my pin board right after I finish filming this. And how could I forget, I'm a plant mom. Let me go get the plant one more time. I had to bring the plant back for the outro. Come on now. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.